Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and I'm here with your weekly devotion for week 35. So, let's get this show on the road. And week 35 we have Reach for God. Okay. Let me get something because I like to point when I read. So, I'm going to use my, pokey tool here. Okay. There's something quite so heartwarming as a newborn baby to cuddle in your arms. The coos, the sweet smell, the soft gazing eyes looking into yours. When you touch her little fingers, they'll wrap around yours in complete acceptance and trust as if they say, "Hi, I love you too." And just as you reach for the baby's hand, God extends himself to you each day for you to accept and wrap your heart around his. He wants to keep you in the safety of his presence. He loves you. He created you. He wants you to have complete and restful trust and love in him. You are sheltered and secure in his arms. Won't you reach for him today? Reach down from above, and he reached down from above and took hold of me. Jesus, however, invited them. Let the little children come to me, and don't stop them, because the kingdom of God belongs to such as these. I call to God Most High, to God who fulfills his purpose for me. He reaches down from heaven and saves me. We are a sweet smell. We are a sweet smell of Christ that reaches up to God. Prayer. Father, I reach to you right now and rest in your presence. I release all my concerns to you, your mighty hand, and walk in the peace that knowing you gives. And that is it for this week. Day 35, And I will be back next week for day 36. Please be kind, be positive, be blessed, be safe, and I will see y'all next week for the next installment of your weekly devotional with grace and gratitude. Bye-bye for now.